Archaea present in the Salton Sea. About Archaea. Archaea are a domain of single-celled microorganisms. They have no cell nucleus or organelles inside their cell, therefore they're prokaryotes. Archaea replicate asexually through binary fission. They have flagella for motility. They're extremophiles, meaning they can survive high temperature, high salinity, even radioactive environments. They comprise 20% of the world's biomass. Very little is known about their domain, especially in marine and deep sea environments. About the Salton Sea. The Salton Sea was formed between 1905 and 1907 when the Colorado River burst through poorly built irrigation controls. The agricultural runoff sustained the lake contained not only fertilizer and pesticides but high concentrations of salt. Over the years, salinity has continued to rise and kill off most species of fish in the Salton Sea and even some birds. Its salinity measures is slightly higher than the Pacific Ocean. Its current level is 43 to 45 THPPM, and the Pacific Ocean is about 34.9 THPPM. THPPN is what they measure the salt concentrations in. And one of the only fish that thrive in the Salton Sea are tilapia, and they survive up to 60 THPPM. Because Archaea are extremophiles, this led me to do the research on Archaea present in the Salton Sea. Let's see what we find and what kind of Archaea are growing in the Salton Sea. Although many saline lakes are labeled extreme environments, microbial diversity within sediments is often pretty equivalent to like the Pacific Ocean and freshwater systems. In an experiment testing Archaea and bacteria in the Salton Sea, they found that there was a large abundance of Archaea and bacteria in the gradients in the sediment. The anoxic sediments of the Salton Sea were dominated by Archaea, so there was less bacteria and a lot of Archaea. The majority of archaeal phylotypes are phylogenetic groups, so this is going to be Cranoarchaea and Euryarchaeota. This experiment found that Euryarchaeota, they are adapted more, they thrive better in the Salton Sea than Cranoarchaeota. Cranoarchaeota are classified in the Archaea kingdom. They exist in a broad range of habitats and a major part of global ecosystems. Euryarchaeota are very diverse, include methanogens and halobacteria, which survive extreme concentrations of salt, and some extremely thermophilic aerobes and anaerobes. Can bacteria thrive in the Salton Sea? So yeah, like I said, they did find bacteria in Archaea. The type of bacteria they found in the Salton Sea were Proteobacteria, Actinobacteria, and Chloroflexi. And also gamma proteobacteria sequences were found. Their GNA sequences were found in the salinity. So how do the bacteria thrive? Carbon supply, redox in the sediment, and that's pretty much how they continue to survive in the Salton Sea. So all in all, how Archaea entered the Salton Sea was the exchange of material, sediment, and water between the Colorado River and nearby marine environments, so that made it easy for the Archaea to make its way over to the Salton Sea. It's pretty interesting, kind of like the antibiotic resistance in bacteria. This kind of relates how Archaea is being able to live in the most extreme environments, high levels of salinity, high levels of arsenic, and oil spills, novel toxins. It's kind of crazy that they're being able to evolve and live in these very extreme environments. Another crazy thing is Clostridium botulinum caused avian botulism at the Salton Sea and has killed over 13,000 birds and a lot of endangered species as well. And my sources.
Thank you for listening.